Today, I'm going to make a super cute strawberry squishy using a balloon. Let's see if I can make it look like a little strawberry needle. First, I'm going to blow up the balloon just a little bit. Okay, I think this size is good by the top. Now, I need to cover this part at the top. I'm going to try using some tape. This tape is way too small. Okay, that definitely didn't work. Let's cut a bigger piece. Okay, this is much better. Now the top is covered, and we can start turning this into a strawberry. Now we need some green leaves for the top. Wait, what about these green hairbands? Can these work? Actually, that looks pretty nice. But, yeah, no, they don't really stay where I want them to. We need something that will stay properly on top. I think I have a better idea. I'm going to make the leaves from green EVA foam. First, I'm going to draw the leaves. And now I'm going to cut them out. Okay, I think these are going to work much better. Now I'm going to glue the leaves onto the top of the strawberry and done! Okay, now it really looks like a strawberry. And now comes my favorite part, the squish test. Look how squishy it is. I think our little strawberry turned out really cute. Would you try making one of these from a balloon? Let me know what fruit I should make next. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next DIY. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!